The benefits to a householder of choosing a heat pump system are that you will of course result in lower energy costs. Typically a ground source heat pump will reduce your heating costs by 30 to 40% relative to an oil boiler. It would be cheaper still than gas, typically 10 to 20%. If you're in the unfortunate position of having electric heating, you'll find that your heating costs are reduced by a factor of 3 or 4. So typically you'd end up paying perhaps a quarter or a third of what you were paying previously. On top of that, a heat pump system will last considerably longer than a conventional boiler system. Because the system doesn't involve combustion, this means that there are far lower service costs involved. We're all very conscious of the issues of global warming. A ground or air source heat pump system doesn't generate any carbon at source. So you absolutely are doing your bit to help the environment.